All rise. Judge Vundby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1007, Boyd versus Salinger.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Boyd,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Recently I was demoted, and so I'm not making as much money, so trying to not pay as much money.
Okay. Is that the only, where were you working?
I'm still in the same job. I just got a worse part of the job. So I'm in sanitation.
Okay.
So basically I have to clean poop all day and make sure it doesn't get in the water. So whenever you're drinking, you don't have poop or hepatitis or anything like that in your water. I literally gotta sort it out. So when you get it, it's good. Yeah.
Mr. Boyd lays out his case, explaining that his recent demotion has drastically reduced his income, making it difficult to keep up with his $850 monthly child support payments. He now works in sanitation, ensuring clean drinking water, and while he tries to lighten the mood with humor, the judge remains focused on the financial facts. The judge probes deeper, asking for proof of his new income and whether the demotion was voluntary or unavoidable. Mr. Boyd insists he had no choice in the matter, emphasizing that his financial situation has changed through no fault of his own. The tension builds as the judge prepares to examine the numbers, ensuring that any adjustments to child support are based on facts, not just claims. This case isn't just about reducing payments, it's about balancing fairness with responsibility. Will the judge grant Mr. Boyd's request, or will she find reason to uphold the current order? Stay tuned as the case unfolds.
I won't drink that.
No, you can. I made sure that there was no, it's good.
Okay. All
Because
right.
of me, yeah. But
Okay,
I
well,
get
thank
paid
you.
less now, so
I'll make sure when I drink water from now on. Thank you, Mr. Boyd.
you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. How old is the child?
He's 4.
Okay. 4-year-old boy. All right. So you have less pay now. Okay. And you're not in agreement to just decreasing his child support?
No, I'm not.
Why not?
I feel like he's lacking on his duties as the father. He also has another child with another woman. So I really don't think he's budgeting his money or time well, and I'm not going to accept his reduction.
Okay. So you don't believe he's budgeting right?
No, I don't. I think he's spending all his money on his new fiance, and
The judge takes a deep dive into the financial details, carefully weighing both sides of the argument. She acknowledges that Mr. Boyd's lower income and additional child could justify a modification, but she's not ignoring Miss Selinger's claims either. Miss Selinger insists that Mr. Boyd is prioritizing his new fiancée over their son, questioning where his money is really going. The judge asks for proof of his expenses, making it clear that child support adjustments must be based on financial necessity, not personal choices. As the tension rises, the judge prepares to deliver a ruling that balances fairness with responsibility. Will she lower Mr. Boyd's payments, or will she call him out for mismanaging his finances? One thing is certain, this decision will have lasting consequences for both parents and, most importantly, their child. Stay tuned to see how it all unfolds.
shoes.
So you're mad about that?
Yeah, I'm pretty mad about it.
Okay. Well, get over it. That's the first thing. Second thing is you said he has another child. So even without a reduction in what he makes, that requires an adjustment right there. Him having another child entitles him to get his child support adjusted.
Well, maybe he should get his attitude adjusted. I don't know.
Well, can you quantify his attitude into any type of money or anything?
I wish he could.
Well, we can do that, right? So, I mean, by law, he has a right to ask for a reduction in child support. And by your own admission, you gave me a second reason why he qualifies for it.
I mean, I don't really understand because we almost make the same amount of money, so.
Right. But he's the one court ordered to pay child support, right? Right?
Right.
Okay, so your income has nothing to do with what he makes. And if he has another child, And according to these documents, he did get a huge reduction because his child support amount was $850 previously. So because he has a second child, that by itself, the law allows him to get a reduction in child support, whether you like it or not, unfortunately. What are you doing with the money, just out of curiosity?
I'm supporting Ricky, our child.
By support, what are you doing for him?
I practically pay for his private school.
Okay.
I'm buying him daycare when I leave for work.
Okay.
I pay for almost everything.
Okay. What are you using it for on yourself?
Nothing.
So you were using all $850 for the child only?
Yes.
Okay. Because it sounded like it was for another reason why you're so upset. Or is it just because of the new girlfriend?
Could be both.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. So this is what we're going to do. He has good reason, and he has shown proof to the court that he qualifies for his child support to be reduced. So we're going to go based off of what he currently makes. Says here on your W-2 you make about $41,000.
That's correct.
Okay. For one child, well, you have 2 kids.
I do.
Okay, so that changes. So what we're going to do is calculate that. So that brings your gross down to $3,287.67. Who pays health insurance?
He does.
How much is health insurance?
$129 a month.
Okay. He also gets the credit for that as well.
Both parents. The judge delivers her final words with authority, making it clear that child support adjustments are based on numbers, not emotions. Miss Sellinger, still frustrated, shakes her head, but the judge stands firm. Texas law allows for modifications when circumstances change, and Mr. Boyd's case qualifies. However, she doesn't let Mr. Boyd off the hook entirely. She urges him to step up as a father, reminding him that financial support is just one part of parenting, as the case concludes. The judge reinforces the importance of co-parenting and keeping personal feelings out of financial obligations. With one last call for accountability, she leaves both parents with a clear message. Child support is about ensuring a child's well-being, not fueling personal battles. What do you think? Was the ruling fair? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more courtroom drama.
Carrying health insurance. So his net comes out to about $2,725.36, giving you credit for your other child. That brings your percentage down, and your new child support amount is going to be $476.94. So I hope that you can pay the tuition and, you know, your attitude about him being mad off of that new amount in child support, $476.94. Can you do that?
Sure.
I mean, you don't have a choice really, but you know, it is what it is. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Anything further?
Nope.
Anything further from you?
No,
You seem disappointed.
I am disappointed.
Why? He has legal grounds to ask for that.
I just wish he would pay attention to our child more, that's all.
Okay. So what do you mean by that?
He doesn't like our child.
How do you know he doesn't like the
He
child?
straight out told me before we came here.
Maybe he doesn't like his behavior. What is it?
Yeah, he doesn't like football.
Oh,
That-
okay.
And that really, if I didn't like football, my father would probably have disowned me. And so he doesn't like football, and I think she's trying to, get him into like other stuff, like, I don't know, cheerleading or something, I don't know. And it hits me right here.
Yeah. It hurts my feelings too because I love football. Maybe you should encourage it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything further? Okay. You all are dismissed.
This case serves as a clear reminder that child support is based on financial reality, not personal emotions. As the judge wraps up, she breaks down the legal principles at play in Texas. Support payments can be adjusted when there's a significant change in income or additional dependents. The goal is to ensure fairness while prioritizing the child's well-being. She also emphasizes that personal grievances between parents should never interfere with financial responsibilities. Child support is about providing for the child, not settling old disputes. With a final note of tough love and accountability, the judge urges viewers to share this case with anyone facing similar struggles. After all, every decision in child support court shapes a child's future. What's your take on this ruling? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.